So all you got to do is put your hands in there and it starts going automatically. All right, just move your hands away. All right, today we're gonna bring a faucet, and this is actually a IR heated, like, you know, any kind of motion to turn on the actual faucet. They give you the tubing, they give you the actual connection, the power too that you require to actually power this thing on, and the instructions included with there. Right, so we're gonna set it up today and see how well this thing works. All right, so including the instructions, we're gonna go over them and see how it works. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and set this up here. You guys can see we're gonna put the ring on the outside. This goes here. Now the module itself, you got to make sure you put batteries in there. Go in here, right? That's mandatory. It takes 2 AAA batteries, all right? So that's kind of a little compartment that it has here. And we're gonna set it up with the dual connection right now. And this is the module you're gonna require, that's gonna require power to actually get the settings. All right, so let's put it together. All right, let's review some of the stuff I've done. All right, so this one is going back up. All right, so if you see arrows going up, this is gonna come out up here to the actual main faucet. And then you got your hot, which is tells you here hot and cold. All right, so we got the hot and cold, and that's gonna go to the main lines. All right, so we got that set up, and it's going to be powered by the battery. So all you got to do is put your hands in there and it starts going automatically. All right, just move your hands away, put them in the front, turn it up higher.